And let's see what this one is all about, shall we? Bam, here we go. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the model name on this one is called the Feldspar. And this one should be a very affordable one from CJRB. So let's see what we have going on here. We have G10 handles with recessed liners. Nice and contour and round. Gold pivot color going on there on both sides. They're iconic and great. Deep pocket carry clip, which is also reversible on the other side. That's always a win right there. And kind of like a straightforward design. We got thumb stud deployment on both sides. It looks to be a liner lock. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Here we go. Bam. Oh man. All right, listen. Talk about a good looking drop point blade with a nice little pokey tip, if you know what I mean. Right, that is pokey right there. Flat grind going on with the Stonewash. Right, let's give you the zoom in, mandatory 5x zoom in. Right, there's that tip right there, looking good. AR RPM 9 steel, which is we know now is a spray form steel from CJRB proprietary. If I can say that word right, proprietary. Right, try to say that 10 times fast over on your side. Go ahead, pause the video. Right, say it 10 times fast, and you know exactly what I mean. Anyways. Check out the Laren Thomas from Knife Steel Nerds video on AR RPM 9 if you want to learn more. Here is the lock bar. Let's check out that lock axis. What is that, like 50% or so in there? You guys be the judge. We can see the D10 ball right there as well. Good cutout here on the show side for access to the liner lock. So that is nice. Quite easy to push down and out of the way right there. All right, the one thing I'm noticing too is that maybe it has the tendency to pinch you a little bit, right, up against the actual G10 side. So if you do it at an angle like that, you'll be okay. If you do it straight down, pushing down and to the left, then you do pinch yourself, right? So maybe don't do that. Kind of do it at an angle, pushing to the left like that, and you should be okay. Bam. So let's check out that action. Boom. Bam. Nice. Reverse. Oh yeah, reverse flick is good. Also very elegant on the standpoint. There's no front flipper, there's no back flipper, so those thumb studs are going to be your only deployment methods right there. And both of those feel pretty good with that D10 situation. D10 ball. Let's see. Oh yeah, not too bad. Good tension to it. Not the stiffest, not the weakest out there. So very well tuned if you ask me. I'll say probably the... Come on, Miguel, can you get that reverse flick? It's hard to do with the nail of the middle finger, which is my favorite way to reverse flick. So you're going to use the meat of your middle finger to get this guy deployed, right? Which is not my favorite way to reverse flick, but some deployment is good all day. It even has some nice acoustics to it. All right, very nice, easy to manipulate. And checking out those Argos, man, I'll tell you right now, you could already tell based on the handle profile, right? That feels really nice. Pocket clip, of course, from CJRB is money. Yeah, as a result, it's going to be a very, very nice and comfortable knife right there, no doubt about it. You know, forward choke on this bad boy as well, right? Get some work done that way with that finger choil. No jimping on the blade there. Maybe that was intentional, perhaps. Right, don't really mind it at all. Right, would have been nice if it was there, but it's not. So good. I don't see a designer on here, so this leads me to believe this one, the Feldspar, is probably an in-house design from CJRB. All right, really loving the ball bearing drop shot action here. It's a little bit of a shake shutter, but man, it feels so good. Right, good alignment also on there, if you ask me. And we do have some milling going on inside as well. You can see those big circles right there. Those are cutouts for weight reduction. A little bit going on as well. Maybe less on the liner side, but mostly on the non-liner side. We got some big cutouts right there. Standoff sandwich construction, 2 standoffs back here. That's pretty much the recipe right there. So yeah, definitely will make for a great, very affordable, right, EDC budget knife, no doubt about it. So check out that design and tell me if that is not a good looking knife. Because to me, man, especially with the finger choil and everything, that is a recipe for a sexy looking knife, right? No doubt about it. This thought just came to mind, right? I'm looking at this knife here sitting under $40. And I'm thinking of one of my first knives. My second knife was a Civivi Elementum. And not only is it a smaller knife, it was like a $55 or so. This one here is quite a lot less than that, and you are getting a larger knife. Arguably, you know, a slightly better action than the Civivi Elementum, being a flipper only or whatnot. I mean, I would definitely, if I was restarting my EDC journey, I mean, there's so many knives right now to start as an EDC enthusiast and knife enthusiast than there were even just a few years ago, not to mention 10, 15, 20 years ago. So, but there you have it, guys. That is a quick overview, quick raw first impressions on the Feldspar here from CJRB. I don't think this one is a brand new model in any way, shape, or form. This one has been around. I think my channel is kind of catching up to some models I didn't get a chance to check out even some years ago, but finally at a point where I can. Guys, let me know your thoughts on this one. What do you love about it? What do you like about it? Is there anything you dislike about it, right? Let's hang out in the comment section down below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.